Hey guys, welcome to Techno Salad. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add audio files in Google Slides. So let's get started. First open Google Slides on your computer. Now this is the slide where I need to insert the audio files. Now from the top menu, click on Insert. Under Insert option, click on Audio. Here the pop-up box will open where you need to select the audio file. Here one important thing to note here is that there is no file upload option available in the Google Slides. The thing is you need to upload the audio file in the Google Drive first and then you can link that file into your Google Slides. So first you upload your audio file into the Google Drive and it will appear here. I have already uploaded my audio file and which you can see here, it's Dreamland. So just select this file that you need to insert into the Google Slides and then click on select button. Within seconds, as you can see, the audio file has been inserted into the Google Slides. You can hover over it and from the available controls, you can just click on play button to preview that audio file. Once the audio file is inserted into the Google Slides, just click on the audio file icon. And on the right hand panel, as you can see, the various options are available. Now under audio playback, under start playing, you can see two options, on click and automatically. So if you want your audio to get started automatically when the slide gets presented, you select the option as automatically. And when you present this Google slide, the audio file will start playing automatically. Under here you can find three checkboxes: hide icon when presenting, loop audio, and stop on slide change. The first one is if you want to hide the audio file icon when you are presenting the file, then you can just select this option. The second option is loop audio. If you want this audio file to play continuously, then you can choose this loop audio option. And the third option is by default selected. So if you are presenting your Google slide and if you move on to some different slide, then the audio file will be stopped playing. So if you want this audio file to keep playing throughout your presentation, then just uncheck this option. That is how we have added our audio file into the Google Slides. One most important thing to understand here is that this file is not actually uploaded into the Google Slides. It is just linked from the Google Drive. So if you are sharing this Google Slides with someone, then make sure that you are sharing this audio file as well with that user. Now let's present this Google slide and let's see what happens. So I have presented this file and as you can see, the music has already started playing in the background. So that was the short tutorial on how to add audio files into the Google Slides. If you find the video helpful, then please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.